they are, and for example, in North America, where you clearly need a remediation process if there was an industrial site. So we were trying to deviate resources also for that. So this looks really hard, and we really like it. That it's just like this idea of coupling very intense public events like skating or a kindergarten on a public pool, or sometimes just a bridge with bicycle parking, with the capacity to treat water coming from the creeks. So these creeks are not as dirty as the river, so it's possible to partially clean the water that then goes to the river, and then just by having 56 creeks throwing clean water into the river, the conditions of the river will change much better than just trying to renaturalize the canal. So the landscape will be really simple. It was basically about, in those industrial areas, working with, not with parks for people for at least 20 years, but rather by process of remediation that will have, that will actually be closed for some time. The definition of edges with tropical plants that basically have strong colors and can create identity. And the interior of the figures that connect the creek with the river will be defined by this these low gardens that are also common of water bodies. So what this scheme shows is basically that every building will be a tank. Depending on whether that creek is very polluted or not, it will be capable of clean the water. And at the same time, we'll have a program like a library or a kindergarten, again inviting the people into the center, which is something that sounds a little bit crazy, but it's not happening in Medellin right now. So the river as a project of decentralization as well. So this is what happens. So kindergarten, sports center,